To change the contrast of a video in Capcut Mobile, free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click and highlight or select your video clip. It's selected and highlighted. Roll to the right, bottom hand screen, and see the option Adjust the video quality and auto reframe. I'm going to scroll to the right, again make sure this is on Adjust, the option which says Contrast. So if we drag this in the middle to the left, it's contrast. To the right, it's more contrast. In this case, I'm going to drag this to the left, the check mark, and I'll keyframe by clicking this diamond icon. I'm going to go to 4 seconds of the video and click and select keyframe or the diamond icon. Go to the right, adjust, contrast. Now we're just going to add an effect. You don't have to do this. This is optional. I'm just dragging this to the right and clicking the check mark. And basically this is what we have. As you can see, you have successfully adjusted the contrast in Capcut Mobile completely for free.